Hello everyone, and welcome to your favorite YouTube channel, Make Money Online. Today, we're going to talk about the best stocks to buy in 2020. Before we dive into the video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss any of our future fascinating videos. Let's get started. 1. Best value stocks. Value investing is a factor-based investing strategy in which you pick stocks that you believe are trading for less than what they are intrinsically worth, usually by measuring the ratio of the stock's price to one or more fundamental business metrics. A widely accepted value metric is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. Value investors believe that if a business is cheap compared to its intrinsic value, in this case as measured by its PE ratio, the stock price may rise faster than others as the price comes back in line with the worth of the company. Brighthouse Financial Incorporated. Brighthouse Financial is a financial services company that provides annuities and life insurance to more than 2 million customers in the US. The company has total assets of $235 billion, total liabilities of $214 billion, and assets under management or AUM of $207 billion. It operates through 4 major segments, including annuities, life, runoff, corporate, and others. Brookfield Property REIT Incorporated. Brookfield Property REIT is a subsidiary of Brookfield Property Partners LP, or BPY. The subsidiary operates as a real estate investment trust, or REIT, intended to provide investors economic equivalents to its parent. Brookfield is a diversified global real estate company with a portfolio that includes 2,000 assets in 30 countries. It owns and operates a large portfolio of office, retail, multifamily, industrial, hospitality, student housing, and manufactured housing assets. It aims to generate long-term returns on equity of 12 to 15%. NRG Energy Incorporated. NRG Energy is an integrated power utility company that produces, sells, and distributes energy and energy services to approximately 3.7 million US customers. The company generates about 23,000 megawatts of electricity, of which 43% derives from natural gas, 34% from coal, and the remaining percentage coming from oil, renewables, and nuclear. NRG Energy announced in early October that it was granted early termination of the Hart-Scott-Rodino waiting period by the Department of Justice and the Federal Trade Commission, or FTC, concerning its proposed acquisition of Direct Energy from Centrica plc. The company is now waiting for approval from the Federal Energy Regulatory Commission, or FERC. The acquisition is expected to close by the end of the year. Ardagh Group SA. Ardagh Group is a Luxembourg-based materials company that manufactures containers and packaging products using 100% recyclable materials. The company operates 56 metal and glass production facilities in 12 countries and employs more than 16,000 people globally. Ardagh Group reported $43 million in profit on a 4.2% increase in revenue in Q3 of 2020, which ended September 30th of 2020. The profit performance was a significant improvement from the $29 million loss posted in the year-ago quarter. NortonLifeLock Incorporated. NortonLifeLock is a software technology company that offers cybersecurity to more than 50 million customers. The company offers solutions aimed at helping its customers secure their devices, identities, online privacy, and other digital security needs. 2. Fastest growing stocks. Growth investing is a factor-based investing strategy in which you invest in businesses that you believe will grow significantly faster than the market as a whole. There are different growth metrics, but one of the most widely used is growth in profits, as measured by earnings per share, or EPS. Growth investors believe that if a company consistently grows profits faster than the market as a whole, its stock price will rise as investors seek to get a share of future profits. Quidel Corporation. Quidel is a diagnostic healthcare manufacturer whose offerings include rapid diagnostic testing solutions, cellular-based virology assays, and molecular diagnostic systems. The company, founded in 1979, is a leader in making products that help treat infectious diseases as well as for reproductive health. It produces AmpliView, the world's first FDA-cleared handheld molecular device. Quidel announced in early October that it had received Emergency Use Authorization, or EUA, approval from the Food and Drug Administration, or FDA, to market a rapid point-of-care test that is capable of simultaneously testing for SARS-CoV-2, Influenza A, and Influenza B. The test can be used on individuals showing symptoms consistent with COVID-19. Brandywine Realty Trust. Brandywine is an REIT that owns, manages, leases, acquires, and develops suburban and urban office properties in a number of eastern states and Texas. Its office portfolio consists of 185 properties totaling 25.3 million square feet. Brandywine reported net income growth of 3,948.9%, despite a 13.2% decline in revenue in Q3 of 2020, which ended September 30th, 2020. The increase in net income was primarily driven by gains on the sale of real estate assets, but also got a boost from lower operating expenses. The company gave no guidance for 2021 due to the uncertain business climate arising from the COVID-19 pandemic. Zoom Video Communications Incorporated. Zoom Video Communications is a communications technology company that provides a video-first communication platform and web conferencing services. Its cloud platform offers video, voice, content sharing, and chat from mobile devices, desktops, telephones, and room systems. The platform supports up to 1,000 video participants and 10,000 viewers on a single conference call. Salesforce.com Incorporated. Salesforce.com is a cloud-based software technology company that offers online solutions for customer relationship management to more than 150,000 companies. The company provides a cloud-based platform for customers and developers to build and run business applications, helping them manage sales, marketing, user engagement, data analytics, and more. Berry Global Group Incorporated. Berry Global Group, the product of more than 40 acquisitions over 3 decades, is a materials company that manufactures plastic products and containers for a broad range of industries including healthcare, agriculture, and cannabis. With more than 48,000 employees, the company produces bottles, drink cups, flexible packaging, jars, lids, straws, tapes, stretch film, shrink films, tubes, and more. It operates under a number of brands including Chicopee, Covertan, Verdant, and Polycan. What did you think about today's video? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so you don't miss any of our videos. See you next time.